Welcome to my channel. In this video I will paint hot air balloons over a canyon. I put a list of art supplies that I used in this video in the description below. You can prepare your colors and canvas to follow along or just enjoy watching. I put the color ultramarine on my palette. My paint looks a little grainy because it has started to dry out in the tube. To fix this, I will mix the paint with matte fluid medium to make the paint smooth again. For the mountains, I will prepare a mix of burnt umber and ultramarine. I will also need titanium white, yellow medium, and pink paint on my color palette. To paint the sky, I started by mixing titanium white with ultramarine. As I get closer to the middle of a canvas, I add more white to the sky and begin to blend in pink paint. At the bottom part of the painting, I applied a little more ultramarine, blending into the pink, creating a violet shade. I use a blow dryer to speed up the drying process of the acrylic paint. After the first layer of painting is dry, I will apply the second coat of the same paints on it. I mixed ultramarine and pink on my color palette to get the violet color. Using a round brush, I paint clouds at the horizon line. Now I will paint the canyon. For the first set of mountains, I simply added the dark paint mix that I prepared earlier to the violet mix. Using a medium palette knife, I spread the paint across the canvas. On my color palette, I combined ultramarine, pink and white. With this new mix, I create a haze on the mountains. Then I will add more of the dark mix to the violet mix to paint the next set of mountains. To paint the third set of mountains, I add ultramarine to the dark mix and spread the paint on the canvas. For the last set of mountains, I use the dark mix from my color palette that I prepared in the beginning. I want to put a crescent moon in the sky. I will mix a little dab of pink with titanium white and using small round brush, paint the moon. To paint the hot air balloons, I use yellow medium, ultramarine, vermilion and the dark mix from my color palette. After the painting is finished and dry, I'm going to paint the sides of it. It might be challenging to match colors of the painting mixing paints later, but it will get easier with practice. If you have leftover paint after you are done painting, you can save it in airtight containers and use it later. I like to use a flat brush for painting sides of the canvas. It makes it easier to blend the colors into a smooth transition. Let me know how your painting turned out, or ask me questions in the comments below. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. It will help other people find it and join our artistic adventure. Thank you for watching.